how to use an Attack Shark X11 mouse software. So first, you're gonna have to download it. So go to your preferred browser and search for Attack Shark or Attack Shark software download. But as long as you go into their website, once you're there, just go ahead and search for your X11 mouse. So you're gonna be able to see the download option here. So scroll down until you find the downloads. So if you want the manuals and stuff, it's all here, but what you're looking for is the software. So just go ahead and press on the Attack Shark X11 software. It's gonna download the file directly. So press an open file once it's done, and then just open up the file. Once you do that, it's gonna ask for permission. So just go ahead and press on yes, and the software will start to install. So go ahead and proceed with the setup. Press on next here. Choose wherever you want the setup to be. Press on next, and then press on install. Then it's just gonna pretty much immediately finish. So press on finish over here, and it should open immediately. I mean, directly after you press on the finish button. But once you do, you will pretty much have your software downloaded. So make sure your mouse is already connected to your PC, and it should automatically connect or detect here on the Attack Shark driver. Then you should be able to modify it to however you please and on the available options. So that's pretty much how you can use the Attack Shark X11 software. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.